good afternoon, good night, whenever you will watch this video. So we are continuing with our chapter, which is vocabulary building. Now in this vocabulary building chapter, we are going to discuss the next topic, which is prefixes, or you can say prefix. Prefix is a singular thing and prefixes is a plural thing. Okay, so I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So in this video, we will understand the meaning of prefix means what, then its applications, then different types of prefixes, etc. Okay. So first, we will understand the meaning of prefix. What do you mean by prefix? So prefix means what? That over here I have written, it is such word. Means it is a word. One thing is confirmed, that is placed before the root. One word is that. That word, if you will place before the root, then that word is known as prefix. Or that word that you are putting before the root, that word is known as prefix. So that in 90% of case, root word becomes opposite. One root word is there and before that you will put the prefix, so that whole word becomes, you can say, opposite in 90% case. Let us see. First question arises in our mind, that what do you mean by root? So for that I have written the definition of root also. Okay, root means what? Any word or verb is known as root. Root means what? Any verb you can consider, or any word you can consider, any noun, pronoun, anything you can consider. So that word is known as root word. And that root word we are placing where? After the prefix. That is your prefix. Prefix is located over here if I will explain. So that is your root word. Root word may be any word, or you can say it may be verb, noun, pronoun, etc. Okay. Prefix means what? Such a word that we are placing before the root, that is known as prefix. Now example of prefix also I have written like on this IR, IL, IN, MIS, etc. And example of root, any verb like, understand, regular, count, watch, etc. Okay. Now we will understand the exact meaning of that prefix plus root, or the word that we are placing before root is known as prefix. And as I told you, in 90% case, that root will become, or total word will become prefix plus root, that will become opposite word. As for example, over here I have written. Over here I have taken the root word as count. Count is what? It is a root. Count means verb. So root I have taken over here. Root word. Okay. Now I have to take one prefix, and prefix over here I have taken, that is your prefix un. That is your prefix un. That is your prefix. That prefix we will place before the root. So how we will place? That is your un, then count, uncount. So that is what? That is the opposite word of this root. Okay. Next example, like that is the root. Now next prefix, dis, dis, this prefix. So now prefix plus root, dislike. So I have written dislike. Now again, dislike, that word is the opposite word of like. Okay. Last we will take that is a root word, regular. That is root. Now that is IR. That is IR. IR is what? Prefix. Prefix means what? Such a word that we are placing before the root. That is your root. And before the root, one word is there. That is your prefix. So regular is the word. So irregular we will get. So irregular is the opposite word of regular. So this is all about the case of opposite thing. Now we will see some different cases with prefix and root. So at that time what's happened, that we will see. Okay, so over here I have taken a root word, which is your bound. Bound is a root word. Bound has two different meanings. First meaning is what? Going towards. And another meaning is what? Surrounded by. So first word is bound and it has two meanings, going towards and surrounded by. Now going towards, for that particular meaning of bound, we will select certain prefixes like north, west, east, south, etc. If I will write over here that southbound, south is what? South is what? Prefix, because that south prefix, that word we are placing before the root. So I will write southbound. Southbound means what? Going towards south. If I will say westbound, going towards west. On the railway station, maybe you have heard that the train which is bound towards Surat is late, or the train that is Surat bound is late. That means the train which is going towards Surat is late. So you can say Surat bound also. Any city also you can keep. Okay. Now next meaning is surrounded by. So for that purpose I have selected some over here prefixes. If I will write prefix. Okay. If I will say snowbound. Snowbound means what? Surrounded by snow. If I will select prefix as house, so housebound. Housebound means what? I am locked inside of the house. So that is not the opposite things. It has certain meaning. Okay. One more example we will take. Over here I have taken root word as side. C-I-D-E, side. It is a verb. So root is what? Side. Side means what? To kill. Single meaning is there. Okay. After that, over here I have selected some prefix. Okay. So first if I will write pasty, then side, so over here pesticide. Pesticide means what? To kill the bacteria. Okay. Next prefix insecti. So I will write insecticide. Over here insecti is what? It is your prefix. Side means what? That is your root word. Okay. So insecticide means what? To kill the mosquitoes. Okay. Last is su, su. That is what? That is your prefix. So I will write that su before the root word. So suicide. Suicide means what? We are killing ourselves. So these are the example of suffix or prefix. In short, you should remember one thing only in prefix, that it is such a word. I will say it is such a word. That word is placed before the root word. That is your root word. Now you can take the screenshot also, because after onwards we will discuss about different types of prefixes, like prefixes which shows the number, prefixes which shows the location, prefixes which shows the size, prefixes which are changing the manner, not changing the manner, etc. Now we will discuss the different types of prefixes that is written on the board. So first type is negative prefixes. Negative prefixes means what? That such a word that you will place before the root, that is your root. Such a word that you will place before the root. So what's happened? New word will become negative word. This type of prefixes are known as negative prefixes. As for example, first one is prefixes D, then that is your frost. So combiningly defrost. That is the opposite word of root. Again, next is prefix is this, that is root is passionate. So dispassionate, new word, which is the opposite of root. Next is ill, that is your root word is logical. So I will say illogical, that is the negative word of logical, root word. Next is IR, that is your prefix, and relevant. So irrelevant, that is also negative word of this root, which is relevant. Next is sensitive, root word, and that is in is the prefix. So insensitive, that insensitive is the opposite word of this sensitive. And last one is non is a prefix, violence is the root word, so that will be non-violence. So non-violence is the opposite word of root word. So such prefixes which will give the negative new words, this type of prefixes are known as negative prefixes. Okay. Now we'll go with the next type. Next type is what? Prefixes of time, or you can say order. That means such prefixes that you will place before the root word. So what's happened? That the root word, whatever new word will be produced, that new word will show what? Show the time. How? That we will check. Supposing EX, root word is MLA, so I will write X MLA, time X MLA, that he was the MLA, right now he is not a MLA. Okay, then root word is principal, prefix is same X, so I will write X principal, that means she was the principal, that means right now she is not the principal but X principal, time. Okay, now next is prefix, and root word is mature, so I will say premature. Premature, one type of time, that boy is premature, he is not properly mature. The day will come, then he will become mature. So time. Then super is the prefix, fine is the root, so super fine. Okay. Then next is is the prefix. Examine means re-examine and evaluated means re-evaluated. Okay, so such type of prefixes which shows the time is known as prefixes of time. Okay, we'll move with the next, which is prefixes of number. So such type of words are there that you will put before the root, so that what's happened, it will show the number or it will show the size. Also you can say size. For size next over here, that is the next type. So only it will show the number. How? That you will see. Prefix is uni, uni. Root is axial, so I will say uniaxial. Uniaxial means what? Only in one direction, you can say, or in one axis only, you can say uni. Biaxial means two axes, like this. Okay, next is direction. So unidirection. Unidirection means one direction. Okay, bidirection means two direction. Then next prefix is dipole. So I will say dipole. Dipole means two poles. Okay, next is tri, and root is angle, so triangle, that means three angle. So such prefixes which shows the number are known as prefixes of number. Okay. Now we'll move on the next type, prefixes of location. So such prefixes, if you will place before the root word, so new word will become, and that new word will show what? It will show the location. How? That we will check. So first prefix is inter, that is your root is national, so I will say international. That is what? That is location, international. Okay. Next is class, root word, again interclass. Interclass means shows the location, interclass. Okay. Next is a sub prefix, way is the root, so subway. Subway means what? Within the road, you can say location. Okay. Next is marine, so I will say submarine, that means inside of the sea, that is the location. Okay. Now next is prefixes of degree or size. So such prefixes or such words that you will place before the root, so what's happened? That new word will show the degree or size. How? Let us see. First is prefixes hyper, that is your root word critical, so new word is hypercritical, that means that hypercritical shows the degree. Okay. Next is prefixes mini, that is your bus, root word, so mini bus. That mini bus shows what? It shows the size. Similarly, you can say mini, then skirt, so mini skirt, again size. Okay. Next is over, then smart, so over smart. That shows what? Degree, that he is over smart. Next is super, then next is man, so superman. That is also indicates degree. Then next is under, next is cooked, so undercooked. Degree is what? Food is undercooked. Okay. Next is prefixes of attitude. So such words which shows the attitude that you will place before the root. How? That we will see. So first prefix is anti. Then root is Hindu, so I will say anti-Hindu, that is his attitude. Then social, so anti-social, again attitude is anti-social. Then next is co, prefix operate, so I will say cooperate. And then sponsor, so co-sponsor. Okay. So last type is that we will discuss. You can take the screenshot. Now we'll discuss the last type of prefixes, which is class changing prefixes. Class changing prefixes means what? That such prefixes, if you will locate before the roots of the word, so what's happened? Class will change. Class will change means what? Supposing that is your root word head, that is a noun, and if you will put the prefix, so new word will be there, and that new word will be converted in adverb. So that is known as class is changed from noun to adverb, or you can say noun to verb, or you can say adjective to verb, or adverb to noun, etc. So now over here we will discuss one by one. Supposing head, root word is head. Head is a noun. So what do you mean by noun? What do you mean by pronoun, adjective, adverbs? Each and everything I have explained in one of my video. I will provide the link in my description box. Okay. So prefix is that the root is head, so the head is noun. Now new word is what? A head. A head is what? That is your adverb. That means class is changed from noun to adverb. Okay. Next prefix is be. Root word is friend. Now friend, class is what? Friend is a noun. So if you will combine both of the things, prefix plus root, so that is your befriend, and befriend is a new word, and new word has which class? It is a verb. So class is changed from noun to verb. Similarly, we will take next prefix, which is D, that is your form. Form is a root word. Root word has which class? It is noun. Form means is a noun. Okay. Now, if you will combine both of this prefix plus root, so that will be your deform, and deform is what? It is verb. So class is changed from noun to verb. And finally, I will write en, that is your prefix, that is your root word. Able, able is what? It is your adjective. And if you combine both, so that is your enable, and enable is a word. So class is changed from adjective to verb. So you can take the screenshot also. Now I would like to end this video. So this is all about the prefixes. Now in the next video, we will discuss about the suffixes. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.